Have you ever left a conversation wondering if she was simply being polite or if there was something more beneath the surface? It's a question that has crossed almost every man's mind at some point. We naturally listen to words, but words are only one part of communication. Facial expressions, posture, eye contact, and subtle movements often add another layer to the conversation. Here's the important part, though. No single gesture can prove attraction. Body language is influenced by personality, culture, confidence, and even someone's mood that day. But when several positive signals appear together, and they happen consistently, they can offer valuable clues about how comfortable and engaged someone feels around you. Today, we're exploring 4 body language cues that psychologists and communication experts often associate with openness, comfort, and possible romantic interest. None of these signs should be viewed in isolation, but together they can paint a much clearer picture. And make sure you stay until the end, because the 4th cue is one of the most overlooked signals, yet it often speaks louder than words. Let's begin. Number 1. Her neck and head position. One of the first places to pay attention to isn't her eyes, it's her neck. When people feel relaxed around someone, their posture naturally becomes softer and less guarded. A woman may tilt her head slightly while listening, brush her hair away from her neck, or briefly touch the side of her neck during conversation. On their own, these movements mean very little. She could simply be adjusting her hair or wearing an uncomfortable necklace. But context changes everything. If these gestures appear while she's smiling, maintaining eye contact, asking questions about you, and staying engaged in the conversation, they may suggest that she feels comfortable in your presence. Communication researchers have long noted that head tilts often make a person appear more approachable and signal active listening. It's less about attraction itself and more about emotional openness. Think about your own conversations. When you're speaking with someone you genuinely enjoy, your posture naturally relaxes. You lean in a little more. Your facial expressions become more expressive. The same principle often applies here. Instead of focusing on a single movement, ask yourself, does she seem relaxed around me? That's a far better question than trying to decode one gesture. Number 2. Open hands and visible wrists. Here's something many people never notice. Watch what someone does with their hands. When people feel nervous or defensive, they often hide their hands, cross their arms, or keep their palms turned inward. When they're relaxed, the opposite tends to happen. Their gestures become more open. You may notice her using expressive hand movements while talking, resting her hands comfortably on the table, or naturally showing the inside of her wrists during conversation. Again, this isn't a secret code. It's simply one of many behaviors associated with feeling safe and engaged. Body language experts often describe open palms as signals of honesty and comfort because they reduce the appearance of defensiveness. Think of it this way. Our bodies often mirror how we're feeling inside. When we're comfortable, we become physically more open. When we're anxious, we tend to close ourselves off. The key isn't whether you briefly see her wrists. The key is whether her overall posture remains open throughout the interaction. That's a much stronger indicator than any single movement. Number 3, the direction of her feet and legs. Now let's talk about one of the most honest parts of body language. The feet. Former FBI behavioral expert Joe Navarro has often pointed out that while people consciously control their facial expressions, they pay far less attention to what their feet are doing. That's why feet can sometimes reveal where someone's attention naturally wants to go. If you're having a conversation and her feet, knees, or body remain generally pointed toward you, it may suggest she's engaged and interested in continuing the interaction. On the other hand, if her entire body repeatedly turns away while she's scanning the room, checking her phone, or looking for an exit, she's probably mentally somewhere else. Again, context matters. Maybe she's waiting for a friend. Maybe she's late for work. That's why it's important not to jump to conclusions. Look for patterns. Is she staying engaged? Does she continue asking questions? Does she keep the conversation flowing naturally? When those behaviors appear alongside body orientation, they become much more meaningful. One isolated cue tells you very little. Several consistent cues tell a much bigger story. Number 4. Her full body orientation. This final cue is one that many men completely overlook. It's not about one body part, it's about the entire body. Notice how she's positioned during your conversation. Is she mostly facing you? Or is she angled away while only turning her head occasionally? When someone enjoys talking with another person, they often naturally align more of their body toward them. Communication researchers have found that people generally orient themselves toward individuals they find interesting, whether in friendships, business meetings, or romantic conversations. It's a sign of attention, not necessarily attraction, attention. And that's an important distinction. If she's facing you with her shoulders, maintaining comfortable eye contact, responding enthusiastically, laughing naturally, and staying present in the conversation, those signals together may indicate genuine interest in spending time with you. But remember this, real attraction isn't about memorizing body language tricks. It's about creating an interaction where the other person feels comfortable, respected, and genuinely heard. The most attractive quality you can develop isn't learning how to analyze someone else's body language. It's becoming someone people naturally enjoy being around. Confidence without arrogance, curiosity without pressure, kindness without expectations. Ironically, those qualities often matter far more than correctly interpreting every gesture. So the next time you're talking with someone, don't obsess over finding one magical sign. Instead, observe the overall picture. Is the conversation flowing? Are both of you smiling? Are you both asking questions? Are you both investing in the interaction? Because genuine connection is rarely communicated through one movement. It's revealed through many small moments working together. And that's what truly matters. If you enjoyed this video, you'll definitely want to watch the next one. We'll cover 6 conversation signals that may suggest she's becoming emotionally invested in the interaction. Signals that are even easier to notice than body language alone. Click the next video on your screen, and I'll see you there.